All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to measure the hotness of this Tabasco sauce, but we're not going to use HPLC or high pressure liquid chromatography. We're just going to use the food sense box. In a bit, you'll be seeing some of these chili sensors. I just put my finger on it, which is really not a good idea. And we'll be using the app on the iPhone in this case. But what Solon's going to do, we'll tell the guys what you're going to do, Solon.
So first of all, insert a sensor into the food sense box, and then I will prepare the sample. So in order for us to prepare the sample, we need to dilute the Tabasco sauce in a chili pot buffer, just so that we make sure that the solution will function as an electrolyte. And the food sense app will tell you in what ratio to mix.
Okay. So are you going to do a, sort of something like a 1 to 4, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For Tabasco, for this concentration of capsaicin, it's 1 to 4 is a good ratio to work with.
So I think we tend to, if you can, we tend to do slightly less dilution when we think it's on the sort of milder end of the scale. So with Tabasco, there'll be, Solon will be taking kind of 1 volume of the Tabasco, adding 4 volumes of the buffer, at which point then Tabasco is already quite a homogeneous type sample. Now the other way of doing this, as Solon does this, is actually to use, as I say, HPLC. HPLC is a fine method. It's quite a, it's definitely an expensive piece of equipment. You need it often in a laboratory. You need high skilled scientists to kind of run it. Not that we're not skilled, but this is definitely, I think, sort of lower cost of ownership, definitely faster to actually do. Solon's just going to give it a quick vortexing now, and that will just homogenize the buffer and the Tabasco. That'll probably do it. And then what you're going to do next is
pipette some onto the sensors. So 50 microliter will suffice. It's just to make sure that we cover all the electrodes of the sensor. So let's just pipette some onto here, and that will do.
great.
And then we hit measure, and we run the sample. And it'll take approximately a minute for it to run through. And while that is happening, we'll just fast forward the recording.
So we got 2,999, which Tabasco, not official for Tabasco, but I believe that they like to make this in the range of 2,500 to 5,000. So I think we're right, almost slam in the middle of the range there, and really quite an easy test to do. I mean, you get fast at this, and it'll take you less than 2 minutes to get a reading. So thanks so very much, Solon. Thank you. Cheers.